Hey there, welcome back. In this one, we're going to learn about actions in Photoshop. So actions are a way we can use to kind of complete our repetitive tasks very quickly by automation, okay? What Photoshop does with actions is it basically records steps which we take to complete our tasks, and then we can now play those steps on different images or different files to complete the same tasks which were recorded, okay? So go ahead and create a new document. It's basically an A4 document in landscape mode, okay? So A4 document, landscape mode. Now come to File and Place, Embedded. And in our folder, we're just going to use this image, okay? This Jonathan Borba image. So Place, perfect. Now we have our image. Now go to Windows and then Actions. You can see the shortcut here. It's Alt F9 or Option F9 on your Mac. So Windows and Actions, and now these are our actions, okay, or this is the actions panel. So you can see that we have default actions here. We call this a set, so we can actually create a new set. So let's just create a new set right away. So let's see, my set. Perfect. So a set is kind of a folder where our actions are kept. So we're just going to close our new set, and we have some buttons here, and we can use this button here to delete an action or a set. We can use this button here to start or create an action, okay? We can use this one, of course, for a set. We can use this to play our action. We can use this to begin recording our action. We can use this guy to stop recording our action. We can see that all of them are grayed out here because we don't have actions selected, right? So let's just look at some default actions. So open here, and then let's just say we want to save our file as a PDF file. So all you need to do is select your action and then come and play. So it's going to open the folder where we can now type the name of our file and then save it as a PDF file. As you can see, it's PDF here. So that's how they basically work. So there are actions that don't require you to interfere. So let's say we select this action and then select this guy here, or select the layer and then select this sapphire toning action. So select and then play. So see that the action just gives us this sapphire tone on our image, and it doesn't require us to interfere, okay? So now look at this place. We can see this place, right? Now any action that has this little box activated, like what we have here, will give us the ability to make edits before performing the task. So, but the ones that don't have the little box activated here will not give us any ability to edit the task, just like how we saw this one do, okay? Let's delete the layer, yes, and basically delete. So let's create a very simple action now. Now just close this default actions, then select the new set and click here. Now click here to create a new action, and let's see we want to give this the name noise. Okay, so let's see we want to add noise to our image. So we can just type in the name noise, and then we can select a set. So we can see that we have two sets. We have the default set and we have the my set. So select my set, and then we can actually give it a function, okay, a shortcut, but we're just going to leave it as none for now, and then we can give it a color. So let's select a yellow color and then record. Perfect. We can see that our record is activated now. Now Photoshop now behaves like a recorder, and then anything you do now is basically recorded. So in order to make our actions really clean and easy, we should always plan out our steps before we hit the record. If we plan out our steps, we will be able to create clean actions. So right now, all I just want to do is add a filter. So just come to filter, then come to noise, then add noise. So I just want to add noise to my image. Let me boost it up a bit. Perfect. So I'm okay with this and hit OK. And then just come here and stop my recording. Perfect. Now we have our action here completed. Now if I zoom in, we can see that we have noise on our image, right? So I'm just going to clear all filters to bring us back to where we were at the beginning. So all we then need to do is to select our image without our action or without our effect, and then just come to the action, click on the action, and then play the action. And immediately we see that our noise has been added. Now I'm just going to clear my smart filters, and what I will do is I'll just activate this little box here. So if I activate this little box, we can see that Photoshop is telling me that this will toggle the state of all dialogues in this action. Okay, it is not undoable. Okay, it's not undoable. And then, okay, so right now if I just select my layer once more and then apply my action, you can see that it now gives me the option to adjust the amount of noise I want to add to my image, right? Now this comes in handy when you're dealing with different file types and then different file sizes. Okay, so different images have different file sizes, and then the noise you will need to apply to a certain image will be different to the amount you will need to apply to, let's say, a larger image or a smaller image. Okay, so you might need to apply more noise to a larger image or less noise to a smaller image. So that's it for this. Now we can clear our layers, or rather our smart filters, and then let's do something more interesting. Okay, so let's just create a new action, and then let's see cool effect. Perfect. And let's just maybe give it a red color and hit record. So right now what I want to do is I just want to add a few effects and do a few things you get, so that we have a more complex action. So just come to filter, then come to filter gallery, and then the first thing I want to do is add a filter. So I want to add a cutout filter, make the number of levels more. So you can see that our image is quite large, so it's taking some time to process. In edge simplicity, we will take it to 5, and that's perfect. So okay, now this is what I want, and then we want to just add some more effects. So just come to your adjustment, and then okay, not adjustment, let's just create a new gradient layer. Okay, and then let's choose a gradient. So let's choose a purple gradient. Okay, so let's choose this guy. So we want something really dramatic, and then change the blend mode to something really cool. So let's give it the lighten blend mode. And yeah, this is good. It's good. And maybe we should just add a noise filter. Okay, so let's just go to filter and then noise, and then add noise. Perfect. So this one will be less. Okay, so less, then so 20.78, and okay. Stop recording. So stop. Now we have our new action. So that's cool effect. So we can go ahead and now delete all our layers, remove all our effects, and then play our action on our image, right? So just select the action and then play it. And it's going to take some time because our image is large, and we have our action now applied. So we can see how easy our action made automating our steps. So that's basically it for actions. There are a few effects that might not work with actions, okay, just for you to know, but most effects or most things you will do in Photoshop will work with actions. Okay, so in the next video we're going to learn how to apply this particular action we've created to multiple images. Okay, this can work for even thousands of images. Okay, so that's it for this video. See you in the next one.
Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, a live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.